So this is my Getting Acquainted by Tiffany Strain. Obviously, I'm Tiffany Strain. That's me in the picture, and the other is a picture I drew as a sophomore in college. And just to signify how busy I felt, so I had to draw a picture. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. It's the good old Midwest, right on the frontier, or what used to be the frontier. And I love Japan. I served my mission there and I made lots of memories with people, and I just really loved the people there. This is one of my apartments with the sliding doors, and this is a beautiful mailbox that someone who lived in my area had made. My companion took that picture. This is the sweetest old Japanese lady ever. This is my second companion who took that picture. And we're standing in a very prominent tourist site in Kamakura. Here you can see my district. We went and ate sushi together. They've got a conveyor belt that delivers the sushi you can order on the screen. And this actually is my husband. Interesting enough, we met in Japan and came back to BYU, Idaho for school. This is the sign in front of the temple, and this is me at they sell cream puffs, just cream puffs. Some of them are filled with icing, some of them are with filling, and just amazing stuff. So I really want to apply what I learned in this class to help my future students in developing their love for reading, and I want to also know this for my daughter. I want her to love reading the way that I did. I want to have books available to her, and this class is just amazing because I get to do exactly that. So here are my top 10. You got The Little Mouse, The Red Rice Strawberry, and The Big Hungry Bear that I've been reading every day of my life, basically, growing up with it. The Tower is a beautiful story about a proud man who becomes very humble and finds out what happiness is all about. The Quiltmaker's Gift, you guessed it, is another one of those. A very proud man who finds out the way to be happy is to give things away. Then you have The Magician's Nephew. I would say the rest of the series, but I have never read it. I've only read The Magician's Nephew. Then you have The Courageous Princess. It's a graphic novel by Rod Espinosa, but it's got a beautiful story. Then you have The Mitten, classic. The Touch of the Master's Hand is a beautiful story. And then these three, Howl's Moving Castle, Castle Near, and House of Many Ways, are part of a series, and yet each of them is a distinct book, and that they're about different characters entirely. And that is my introduction. Nice to meet you. I look forward to this semester.